Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It is May 11th. Goodness gracious, it's May 11th. So we are in our last 2 weeks of school. I just wanted to touch base with you really quickly. This will just be a few minutes long because I've already posted all of your assignments for the week. I posted them last week. Some of you are done. You've done them all. So that's amazing. But just to remind you, what you need to get done this week are your three common lit assignments. There were three posted. Two of them were poems. One was a short article, and they were all on the same topic of parenthood and what parent kid relationships look like. So if you have any questions about those, email me. I know some of you emailed me to ask what a poem meant or you didn't really understand something. So if that's the case, please email me. I will get back to you with answers to those questions. Also, I posted a quick reflection. So once you've done the three common lit assignments, you just need to do the little reflection about parenting styles and stuff. So it's like there at the on Google Classroom. So one of those common lit was actually due last week. I haven't graded it yet, so just get the three common lit done and the paragraph reflection done, and that's what you have for the week. Okay. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. If you are making up missing work, like you've done a lot of assignments and you are not seeing them in the gradebook, please email me. Those of you who do email me, I tend to get that grade fixed within, I don't know, by the end of the day after you email me. So make sure that you send me an email. I have so many people turning in late work, it's hard to keep up. So when you email me and say, hey, Mrs. Fry, I got this assignment done, can you check it when you get a second? Also, we just did an entire lesson on email etiquette. So it is no longer acceptable to send me or any teacher an email that's like one sentence long that says, hey, I did my work, get it in the grade book. That is unacceptable and I will not respond to it. Okay, so be respectful, be polite. We are almost done, you guys. You have been champions through this. I'm so, so, so proud of you. I miss you. I hope you're doing well. If you have any questions, concerns, anything, let me know. Okay, otherwise, have a good week.